morning and welcome. You're watching the CommexFX Daily Outlook for Wednesday, May 6th. Euro rose 0.30% against the US dollar and closed at 1.1179. Yesterday, the European Commission reported that the European economy was gaining momentum and revised upward its forecast for the Eurozone's economic growth to 1.5% in 2015, from 1.3% predicted earlier, on the back of lower oil prices, a weaker euro and quantitative easing measures. For 2016, the EC kept its forecast unchanged at 1.9% for the common currency bloc. In the US, the ISM non-manufacturing PMI jumped to a 5-month high of 57.8 in April, above market forecast for a reading of 56.2 and up from a level of 56.5 registered in March. Meanwhile, the nation's trade deficit widened to $51.4 billion in March, while markets were anticipating the nation to post a trade deficit of $41.7 billion. The pair is expected to find support at 1.1112, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.1010. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.1269, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.1325. Trading trends on the pair today are expected to be determined by the Eurozone Services PMI coupled with retail sales data scheduled in a few hours. Meanwhile, US ADP employment data scheduled later in the day would also be monitored by the market participants. The British pound rose 0.36% against the US dollar and closed at 1.5172. Gains in pound were kept in check after Britain's market construction PMI eased to 54.2, registering its lowest reading in 22 months in April. Markets were expecting the index to slip to 57.4. The pair is expected to find support at 1.5115, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1.5037. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 1.5246, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1.5298. Looking ahead, UK Services PMI data, scheduled in a few hours, will attract market attention. The US dollar weakened 0.16% against the Japanese yen and closed at 119.93. The pair is expected to find support at 119.60, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 119.27. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 120.40, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 120.86. The Australian dollar strengthened 1.03% against the US dollar to close at 0.7922. Early morning data showed that the seasonally adjusted retail sales in Australia advanced 0.3% MOM in March, lower than market expectations of a 0.4% rise. Elsewhere in China, Australia's biggest trading partner, the HSBC Services PMI hit a 4-month high of 52.9 in April, from a level of 52.3 recorded in March. The pair is expected to find support at 0.7843, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 0.7722. The pair is expected to find first resistance at 0.8029, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 0.8094. Going forward, market participants will keep a tab on Australia's unemployment rate data, scheduled tomorrow for further direction. Gold prices traded higher by 0.47% against the US dollar at $1193.40 per ounce amid a broad slump in the global equity markets, thus enhancing the demand for the safe haven yellow metal. Separately, gold holdings of the SPDR Gold Trust remained unchanged at 741.75 tons from its previous close of 739.06 tons. The pair is expected to find support at 1186.50, and the fall through could take it to the next support level of 1178.50. The pair is expected to find its first resistance at 1200.90, and the rise through could take it to the next resistance level of 1207.30. That was it for today. Make sure you check out our new Refer a Friend program. Any client can join the program and receive valuable bonuses simply by referring a new client to CommexFX. Start referring friends to CommexFX today. It's quick, efficient, and offers maximum payouts. Stay in the know by liking us on Facebook, following us on Twitter and Instagram, circling us on Google+, and of course, subscribing to our YouTube and CommexFX TV channels. Have a great trading day.